Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Markad and today's date is 14 November 2021. Today I have discussed how to call a method in Java. In Java, the method is a collection of statements that perform specific tasks or operations. It is widely used because it provides reusability of code, means that write once and use it many times and everywhere. It also provides easy modification. Each method has on its name. On its name, the method is called and performs a specific task. Specific task in Java, static method is a method that is invoked or called without creating the object of the class in which method is defined. All methods that have static keywords before the method name as non-static methods. We can also create a static method by using static keywords before method name. We can call static method by using the class name dot method name. In following program, we have called the static method of the math class name min method that returns the minimum value of two numbers. Predefined method in Java. In a predefined method, that are the methods that are already defined in the classes. When we required any predefined method, we just call the methods by its name. In following example, we have used a method name hashcode of the class objects. To call the predefined method hashcode method, we have created an objects obj of the class because it is a method of object class. By using the method, we have called the hashcode method that returns hashcode value of object. Third one is a user defined method in Java. The call user defined method, first we create methods and must be created in the class with the name of the method followed by parentheses. The method definition consists of method header and method body. If the method is a static method, we use following obj.method name in bracket arguments, where object is the object of the class. In the example, we have created two user defined methods named show message and display message. The show message method is a static method and display message method is a non-static method. We have called show message method directly without using the objects, and while the display message method is called by using the object of the class. A class can contain two or more methods with the same name. Now a question arises that how we can call two methods with the same name. When a class has two or more methods the same name, it is differentiated by either return type or type of parameters or numbers of parameters. This concept is called as method overloading. The above two methods have same name sum, but both are different. The first sum method returns at integer value and passes to integer x and y as a parameter, while the second sum method returns a double value and passes to double values a and y as parameters. Let's create a program that overloads subtraction method. Fourth one is abstraction method in Java. An abstraction method is a method that is declared with an abstract keyword. The abstract method only has method declaration. The body of abstract is defined in the other class. The abstract method is defined on other class. The abstract method must be declared in the abstract class. We can set visibility of abstract method as a private or public. We cannot declare any abstract method as final. because it violates advantage of abstract method. The actual implementation of abstract method must be in child class. We can define abstract method as follows: abstract public void find area. Thank you.